Hey everyone, welcome to Code with Learning with Nodejs series, where we are going to learn Node.js from scratch, starting with the basics and moving all the way to building real applications. If you are just starting in backend development, this series is perfect for you. So let's start with the basics. What is Node.js? Well, Node.js is a JavaScript runtime, which means it lets us use JavaScript outside the browser. So normally JavaScript is used to give interactivity to websites, like handling buttons or forms. So if you press here the function 12 key on your keyboard, F12, then you will see here in the console, if I type console log message, console log is the command, okay, for typing the message, giving the message in the console. So if I type here, hello everyone, and if I press enter, then you see I get the same message, hello everyone. So here we are running this code on the browser. But what if I want this JavaScript to run outside this browser? For that purpose, we can install Node.js. So this Node.js, we can actually use JavaScript on server side to build apps, handle files, manage databases, and so much more. Now you might be wondering, why do we need to install Node.js? Well, Node.js provides us with a powerful environment to run JavaScript, which I already explained here to you. So, by installing Node.js, we get tools that allows us to execute JavaScript, build servers, and run various commands all from the command line. So let's first install the Node.js. You can head to this nodejs.org website, and from here just click on this download node and it will start downloading. Now open it. So you can install this from here by clicking the on the next, set up the configuration as it is, and install it from here. As I already installed, so I don't need it. But for checking that you get installed or not, after that open your terminal, okay, and inside this terminal type the command node -v and press enter. Now you will see here a version number. So this, from this you will clear that yeah, you installed the Node.js. And that's it. Now that we have got Node.js installed, in the next video we are going to run our first script in Node.js and explore what it can do. So get ready for some hands-on coding. Thanks for watching.